Many brain-injured children have trouble speaking due to breathing problems. Almost all brain-injured children have problems breathing properly. The most hurt children have very significant breathing problems that may be life-threatening. Even moderately and mildly hurt children can have irregular, shallow, and immature respiration. These chronic breathing problems significantly affect the ability to make clear sounds that we understand as words. This is the single most common problem brain-injured children have when it comes to speaking. Regular, deep, and mature breathing is vital for volume and clarity, to be heard and to be understood. Often the brain-injured child has to choose between breathing and doing anything else. He cannot breathe and do something else at the same time. Can we be surprised, given this choice, that he often chooses to breathe rather than to speak? When we are successful at giving the child deeper, more regular, more mature breathing, he will make sounds more often, and the sounds he makes will become easier to understand as words. Now he begins to speak because he can breathe so much better.